Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to Free Tech. Today I'll show you how to you can mining free Bitcoin. Gas mining. That is this is the new site. Let us go. Let's move not talk. Let's go do it. Uh, Go to my video description and you will get this link. You can come here. Then uh, sign out. Joining bonus, you can see that joining bonus. I'll show you. Wait a minute. Um, Actually, this site is joining bonus totally $160. $160 totally free. Just joining bonus. Okay, first I'll show you how can you register this site. Just go to sign up options. I can prove you joining bonus $160. Just showing this process. Write your full name. Username must be this. Use one symbol and one number. Okay. Your email address. Give your email address. Retype your email address. Password. Repeat your password. Then you can see this is your withdrawal payment method. Buy your Bitcoin, Litecoin, etc. Bitcash accounts. Then you can touch to agree. I'll agree the registration, then registration. Okay. So I will see you. Uh, this site is give me $160. Login. You can see that active deposit $160. Okay. uh, Actually when you withdraw this $160, you can this site told to you can invest, then you can withdraw. So that's not at this moment you don't deposit. Okay, when I call you, you can deposit. When I make withdraw, then I will take a video for you on YouTube. Then you can deposit, not earlier. Okay. Just you can open your account and get $160. When I call you, yeah, this site is withdrawal payment will give us, and then you can deposit. Okay. I'll show you how can you deposit. At this moment you can't deposit. Okay, just I'll show you. Make deposit. Press to make deposit. You can see that this is standard daily 1.5% automatic earning. This deposit, this is invested minimum $40 to $160. Okay, this is business daily 2.35%, $161 to $380. Okay, this is the deposit. Like I choose first one, standard daily. Then go to payment method. This site is given. His payment method is I can payment 6 funds from Bitcoin. Okay, minimum $40 spent. When I spent, this is his BTC wallet address. Okay, so everyone know that how to sing BTC, Bitcoin, other option, other website, other personal account. So this website's Bitcoin address you can copy, then paste to your Coinbase account. Sending after the options $40. Okay, I tell you, don't invest at this moment. When I withdraw this site, then I will make a video for you, then you can invest. Okay, thank you everyone, stay with us, please subscribe my channel.